Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. There won't be an intro this time around, so please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy. So to start off, I'm going to prep my eyelid with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I'm gonna go ahead and slap that bitch right on there.
I see you've been trying your best to give me explanation.
Next, I'm going to take the Flamingo shade from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to apply this color right in my crease and blend it up to my brow bone.
Like every night is one of us getting aggressive.
Next, I'm going to take the shade Buns from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and apply that in my crease as well and blend it into my first transition color. Next, we're going to use the shade Man Eater from the Huda Beauty palette, and we're going to apply that to the outer V of our eye and blend that into our previous shades as well. Now go ahead and apply Bossy to the center of your mobile lid. You're really just going to want to pack that shit on there. Now taking Scene from the Morphe 15N, I'm going to apply this shade to my outer V and blend it into my last color used.
It's so obvious it ain't true. Remember when all of was precious? We thought what we had was the best yet. Now every answer's a question.
So now taking NYX Matte Liquid Liner, my holy grail eyeliner of all time, my absolute favorite. We're just gonna go ahead and wing this bitch. Here we have the Makeup For Melanin Girls Glitter Palette. So versatile, so gorgeous, and the glitter is to die for. Look at that. Oh my god. To help with application, I'm going to use Too Faced Glitter Glue, and I'm going to create a half cut crease.
Maybe we're crazy. No one loves me better.
Now with Jackie Aina's La Peach highlighter, I'm going to apply this to the inner corner of my eyes. If you're wondering what foundation I'm using, it is Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Foundation, and y'all, it is bomb. I'm going to go ahead and take some CoverGirl and set my face. And go ahead and lightly dust the rest of your face with the CoverGirl powder. I'm going to take the Morphe 39A palette to contour my face. Morphe 9B blush palette for my blush. Now to get your highlight poppin', use Wet n Wild's Mega Glow Hello Halo Gilded Glow as a base.
I'm flying.
Now apply Jackie Aina La Peach loose highlighter to the desired parts of your face. Yak to the yak.
Can keep you from pulling me down.
Now I'm going to use Wet n Wild's Mega Length Mascara. So I got the NYX eyeliner on my lashes and hardened, so I'm kind of having a bit of trouble with this. Jesus.
Yeah, maybe that's true, 'cause I can't stop thinking about you.
Using NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Rust, I'm going to go ahead and tightline my waterline. Blend it out with the shade Man Eater from the Huda Beauty palette. Now I'm going to apply my absolute favorite lashes in the style Noir Fairy from House of Lashes. Using NYX Cosmetics Beyond Nude Lip Pencil, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. For my lip color, I'm going to use Wet n Wild's Liquid Catsuit Give Me Mocha.
I'm trying not to forget my words.
I'm now going to apply Young and Pretty Cosmetics Young and Pretty Pink Lip Gloss over my lipstick.
In my mind, I promised myself not to slip back into unhappy.
And now the look is finished and you are date night ready. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. All products I used in this video will be listed in the description box below.